What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you all have not seen my previous video on me revealing the new car, go ahead and check that out. It's in the E90 series. But today I've got a few new installs I'm going to be doing. We're going to be changing out one of the coil packs from AutoZone, a Duralast coil pack, and putting in a Bosch coil pack because that's what BMW comes with. So we're going to be making this thing run perfect. Another thing we're going to be installing is trunk struts because the trunk struts are bad on this. So we're going to be doing that. And then I have a new car cover. If you all have not seen, this is the current car cover I have on it. As you all can see, it's a little big. So I got the wrong size, unfortunately. So I ordered the right size. We're going to put that on at the end of this video. Let's get into the second day of the E90 series. So guys, here's the coil that we're changing out right here. We've already replaced all those. Those we actually decided, so we tried replacing them with the Duralast. These are OE Bosch. So we went ahead and put these back in because we were getting multiple misfires. So that's why we're putting a Bosch one in here instead of a Duralast. So guys, here's the Bosch. Same thing, just a Bosch version of a Duralast coil. Finally have the new coil in. All 6 coils are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure there's no leaks around here. This line right here seems to be having a little bit of a leak. I don't know why when it's pressed on. So we're going to wash that. Keep checking the coolant level. But other than that, I think we're good to go. Let's go ahead and start it up and make sure everything's good to go. So we're going to go ahead and go through the check engine light process here. It is very hot in here. Turn those off. Some LEDs in there at some point. But guys, this is the cleanest 328i you will see as far as a 2008. And 2008, I heard, is the best year to buy a BMW manual. So guys, I'm really pumped about this. So guys, we have a service engine soon light on. It's not a check engine, it's just a service engine light. I don't even know if there is a check engine light on here actually. Because that could be the same thing. I don't fully know yet, so we're gonna figure this out here. And we gotta get this mirror fixed at some point too. Now we do have to be careful driving this around the neighborhood because this thing is not does not have a plate on it yet, but the registration is up to date. Okay, so we have a heater control circuit code on. We're going to clear all these codes really quickly. Alright, so all the codes have been done. Turn the car off. Unplug the OBD. Alrighty, here, let's start her up. So we're going to let her run for a few minutes and then see where we are from there. So I'm excited, guys. Guys, if you have never driven manual, it is a lot different than anything else. So it's very weird. But it's a lot of fun. You just kind of let the car take yourself. Now the reversing is my hardest part right now. I don't know where this car is coming from, but or you'll stall the engine just like that. Here we go, guys. Oh, that's right, I gotta turn the DTC on. Woohoo, baby! Guys, this thing's so much fun to drive, like, let me tell you. This thing's so much fun. Then whenever you're coming to a stop, you just put it in neutral Guys, this is my second time ever driving manual, and I'm like nervous right now because this is by myself. But guys, it's so much fun. If you've never driven manual, guys, you gotta try it. I'm serious. So much fun. All right, here we go, guys. Ah, hey, come on, car. Come on, car. I always forget to press the clutch in. That's what I'm getting used to. Well, guys, that was the drive. Picked ourselves up some Arizonas. If y'all have not had Arizona, the new tropical chillsicle, guys, it's pretty good. Just saying, you're missing out. But anyways, we've got a service engine soon light on. The other thing that we have in second gear that's coming up is a triangle with a circle, like a arrow, almost a full circle arrow around it. If any of you know what that is, if you all could leave it down in the comments below, that'd be great. Trying to figure it all out. But guys, we have 30 minutes till we have to leave. It is 6:55. We have to leave at 7:30, so it's about 35 minutes. We're gonna go and pop on these trunk struts that I bought just to go ahead and get those out of the way. That was the first drive. That was the second official drive in the BMW. So guys, I'm really loving this car. A few things to fix, but we'll get it fixed up. So guys, here's our new trunk struts. We're gonna go ahead and, oh boy, tear these open if they don't break. Look at that. So here's our old ones. Rusted, looking in bad shape. Rusted, in bad shape. And they just don't have any basically spring action to them anymore, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So what I have to do is I have to pop off, I'm gonna be popping these little guys off just like this. So I don't know how well y'all can see this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but off just like that. And then we're gonna do the same for the top one right here. Yeah, these things were done for, so old versus new right there. We might even want to grease the ball, but I don't know if you're supposed to grease the ball or not. I have no idea. But yeah, let's go and get these new ones on, and I'll show you all the difference once I get them on. So here's the new one. It actually came pre-greased, which is perfect. We definitely wanted it pre-greased. There's the old one. Looks a lot better, and the functionality should be a lot better. We have them both installed, and guys, it is a game changer. It actually lifts up now. It used to be very hard, but now, guys, nice and easy. We're gonna go ahead and open up the new car cover, cover this thing up, and well, that's gonna end the video. So enjoy this covering of the car, and guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. Hit the like button, hit the little bell icon. This is just the beginning of the E90 series. I'm excited to bring you all along.